By way of this petition, petitioner is seeking direction to respondent authority to take actions against the uh, respondent number 7, 8, and 9, Lordship. But on the basis of complaint of the petitioner, the inquiry has been conducted. That is a P2, Lordship. Page number
जी
internal page number 16. I think computer Lordship hoga page number 34.
हाँ
21, Lordship.
हाँ
Kindly see the last paragraph of this this Lordship at page number 20, Lordship.
हाँ
शिकायतकर्ता द्वारा प्रस्तुत शिकायत पत्र कथन श्री स्वयंसो समन्वयक अधिकारी प्रभारी सचिव ग्राम पंचायत अमरछी के कथनों एवं श्री आरपी निगम पंचायत एवं समाज शिक्षा संगठक विकासखंड अजयगढ़ के जांच प्रतिवेदन में पाया जाता है कि श्रीमती शिवकला पत्नी पुन्ना प्रजापति ग्राम पंचायत अमरछी में सरपंच के पद पर कार्यरत है एवं श्री प्रजापति सचिव के पद पर पदस्थ हैं। श्री शिवकला
इतने साल में तो सब खत्म हो गई कहानी। 14 साल हो गए वकील साहब,
लॉर्डशिप
कब तक दुश्मनी निभाएंगे?
लॉर्डशिप काइंडली सी एन एग्जाम P61 फॉर अ मोमेंट लॉर्डशिप।
हाँ
P6 this is a order of the collector where the collector has been directed to register the FIR against those persons.
ठीक है, तो आपका क्या जब रिप्लाई है बताइएगा।
बट ये कंप्लायंस कभी नहीं हुआ लॉर्डशिप।
हाँ बताइएगा क्यों नहीं हुआ कलेक्टर के आदेश का कंप्लायंस?
My lord, in fact, we have directed by the annexure R1, my lord, we have directed that an inquiry be conducted in the matter. my lord.
इंक्वायरी तो हो गई ना, उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
My lord,
उसके बाद तो डायरेक्शन दे दिया।
इवन लॉर्डशिप काइंडली सी द पेज नंबर 7 ऑल्सो। सारे लेटर जो कलेक्टर ने लिखे FIR दर्ज कराने के लिए वो P7 में लॉर्डशिप पेज नंबर 30 पे।
my lord, we have in fact directed a recovery from the.
I don't know when there is an inquiry report showing that there has been dereliction and falsification of accounts, then why you have not complied with the orders of the collector?
Lord, we have in fact.
You let your collector
written
appear
to
in person and inform that why his earlier orders have not been complied with.
My lord, as far as orders of the collectors are concerned, my lord, in fact, we have again written to the SHO, my lord.
No, not written. कलेक्टर अगर ऐसा लिख लें, कलेक्टर साहब जो है एसएचओ से काम नहीं करवा पा रहे, तो हम कलेक्टर साहब को तो यही हटाने का एक ग्राउंड पर्याप्त हो जाएगा कि एसएचओ उनकी बात नहीं सुनता। आप दोनों तरफ से खेल मत खेलिए, कलेक्टर साहब को बता दीजिए, ठीक है? वी आर सिटिंग हियर टू सिक्योर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पुअर मैन।
My lord.
On one hand, he is saying that there is defalcation, there is delinquency, lodge FIR. And on the other hand, he is saying that SHO हमारी बात नहीं सुनता। कलेक्टर पन्ना को बुला के लाइए, कल बोलिए यहाँ रहने के लिए उपस्थित।
My lord, if some time be given.
टाइम तो दे रहे हैं कल तक का, कितना दूर है पन्ना यहाँ से?
Only I was seeking because this matter is of 2009, my lord.
So what?
So
if your collector is sleeping over the matter,
but my lord, if time.
ठीक है, 3 दिन का टाइम दे रहे हैं, FIR दर्ज करा कर आइए।
Because my lord, the writ petition pertains to the actions of 2009, my lord. That
क्या
is
हो
only.
गया? Why you were sleeping over it?
We have filed reply, my lord.
No, your
Only-
reply is inadequate.
My lord, I
Let
was.
collector file a personal affidavit within 3 days as to whether FIR has been lodged against the delinquent or not, and whether recovery has been made from the delinquent or not. He will enclose supporting documents, failing which collector Panna shall remain personally present. List on 3rd November 2023, top of the list.
My lord, my only prayer is time be given, my lord.
देख तो दिया टाइम 3 दिन का आपको।
My lord, 7 days time.
नहीं 3 दिन बहुत होता है। अगर आपकी SHO बात नहीं सुन रहा है कलेक्टर साहब की, तो बहुत शर्म की बात है ये।
Because my lord, I was seeking time because.
नहीं
Because of 2000 and elections are also.
So what?
That is only. My lord.
If you are saying that during the elections all other administrative work shall remain suspended,
No, my lord, I'm not saying. As my lord's direct, we'll come.
Yes. अब एफिडेविट फाइल करिए, failing which collector shall remain personally present.
My lord.
It is this order is passed because it is pointed out by Shri Hussain ही नाम है ना?
Yes, Hussain Lord.
That white annexure P2. An inquiry report was filed by the sub-divisional officer, Revenue, Ajaygarh Panna, pointing out that there was a sum of rupees 3,05,742 was recoverable He also recorded a finding that Shri Mehboob Khan, Shivkali Sarpanch Gram Panchayat Amarcha and Shri
Amarchi, Your Lordship.
eh?
Amarchi.
Amarchi and Shri Ram Shri Prajapati, in charge Secretary Gram Panchayat Amarchi, are guilty of financial irregularities and it will be proper to lodge FIR against them. Full stop. उसके बाद फिर
इसके बाद लॉर्डशिप कलेक्टर साहब ने एसडीएम साहब के लिए लेटर्स लिखे, ऑर्डर किए कि आप एफआईआर लॉन्च कराइए इसमें।
thereafter collector Panna wide order dated 31/7/2009 directed the sub-divisional officer to lodge FIR.
लॉर्डशिप 31 नहीं है, इसके बाद वाला लेटर है 26/8/2009।
Sorry, wide letter dated 26/8/2009 directed sub-divisional officer to lodge FIR. Today, Shri Shivam Hajari submits that SHO is not recording FIR despite directions of the collector. This submission made by the learned penal lawyer for the state reveals that collector has become impotent and has lost his authority to get its order executed. Such impotence of the officials in the discharge of official work has serious consequences for the well-being of a welfare state. Therefore, submission made by Shri Shivam Hajari deserves to be rejected and is hereby rejected. Collector Panna is directed to do the following. Either he will place on record order of any superior court whereby inquiry report of the sub-divisional officer has been set aside or stayed, number 2, if it is not stayed or set aside, then copy of the FIR lodged in pursuance to his order annexure P4, and thirdly, the vouchers by which recovery amount as proposed by the sub-divisional officer has been deposited in the government treasury. Full stop. Let these documents be filed within 3 days, failing which Collector Panna shall remain personally present as matter is pending since 2009. And for good 14 years, state authorities have been sleeping over the matter and have been showing indifferent attitude towards its own orders. He will also explain the reasons for indifference over such a long period in not making compliance of their own orders. ठीक है?
Lord, my only request is, my lord, that I do not submit that the collector is.
आपने कहा, आपका स्टेटमेंट था, ये रिकॉर्ड होता है हर चीज, आपने कहा कि एसएचओ नहीं सुन रहा है, वही लिखा है, मैंने अपनी मर्जी से तो लिखाया नहीं.
Although I didn't say
So
that
you should be careful. You should be careful while making a statement. Everybody who is sitting in the court heard that, and then you can take out the recording.
My lord, if I may clarify.
I'll never close recording except in those cases where minor girls appear in POXO matters. My recording is always on. So let recording verify whether you said it or not.
My lord, I'm not saying that. I'm only saying that I read paragraph 10 which says that we have written a letter.
6 तारीख लगा देना, 6 तारीख लगा देना. Under the same head. चलिए.